Welcome back to CIE Group. You join us back at the Security Event 2025 down at the NEC in Birmingham, and we're over at the 2N stand with Jez, and right behind us you'll recognise the Force, of course the toughest intercom, not just in the 2N range but probably on the market. Everybody's seen it, Jez, being run over by trucks, run over by Caterpillar tracks as well, and now you've got the latest version, which is Force 2.0. So, looks very, very similar. What's going on in the background?
It's all new under the hood, basically. So being part of the Axis organization, we've inherited their ArtPEC technology. So this will have the latest ArtPEC technology in it, which gives us the same as we've had in the IP Style and Verso 2 for a while. So higher resolution camera that also has a much wider dynamic range. So if you've got lots of light and dark in the same image, not a problem. That also brings into play QR codes, which are great for visitor access control because they're easy to distribute, but good for short-term access for people. The other thing that's not so clear on the unit here is it also brings in our VBUS technology, which is our way in the Verso range of adding different modules. So if you do need something that's not in the basic IP Force 2.0, you can add extra modules or put something on the other side of the gate to extend it.
So there are different variants of the Force 2.0, different number of call buttons. Now, as you say, as well as having that intercom availability, you've now got access control credentials as well. The 2N Force 2.0 is available now from CIE Group. If you want to find out more, click on the link below, or of course see all of the range at ciegroup.com.